Okay, I really like this problem. Traffic engineers are designing a stretch of highway that will connect a horizontal highway to one with a 20% grade. The smooth transition is to take place over a horizontal distance of 800 feet with a parabolic-shaped highway connecting points A and B. So of course, whenever you have a word problem like this, the first thing you do is you draw a diagram. So here's the level stretch of highway, and here's the one with a 20% grade. Now, a 20% grade means that for every 100 feet, the elevation change is 20 feet. So this would be a 20 over 100 slope, or a 1/5 slope. And here's point A. Here's point B. And we have a nice smooth parabola connecting this. And we don't want any bumps or anything at either A or B because we don't want cars falling off or falling through the cracks. That would not be good. The horizontal distance between A and B is 800 feet. So, now we need to find our equation of a parabola. General form for a parabola that opens upward is x minus h squared equals 4p y minus k, where h comma k is the center. Okay, so now we know that the way that we need to go about this is it's very similar to a Calculus 1 problem where you made up a curve at 2 points based on what its slope will be. So we know at this point, slope is 0, and at that point, slope is 1/5. So let's make a coordinate plane, and we'll have this be the origin here at A, and this, of course, is 800. We just need to find y, because we're going to have A at the origin, so h and k are 0. Okay, so the way we do this would be we take the derivative, because this is a slope problem, and that's the way that, of course, that's how we find slope. So, we first write out what we have now. So, x squared is equal to 4py. And we want this to be a function of y, so we're going to differentiate with respect to x. So, when we take the derivative of both sides of x squared, hang on, we gotta do the same thing to both sides of the equal sign, 4p of y. Okay. So, of course, we know that, I'm just going to switch colors back to black. We know that this is a constant here, this term is constant, so we can pull that out. But we have 2x is equal to 4p dy dx. Well, we know that dy dx evaluated at x equals 800 is going to equal what? Well, we know our slope's 1/5, so 1/5. Now we want to evaluate this at x equals 800. dy dx is equal to 2x over 4p. Okay. And evaluate x equals 400. 1/5 is equal to 2 times 800 over 4p. Now we can find p. So I would cross multiply here. So 4p is equal to 10 times 800, and 5 times 2. So p is equal to 10 times 800 over 4. P is equal to 2,000. So now I can come back up here, and we have x squared is equal to 4 times 2,000 y. So this would be x squared is equal to 8,000 y. And that's our answer.